clean the dent with alcohol and rag before repair. Heat the crack in cars for 2 to 3 seconds with lighter before repair to eliminate moisture. Tap a hole as big as the crack with blade. Specify the operation area by drawing line along the vacuum repair tool with mark pen. Apply the adhesive glue to the vacuum repair tool according to the crack position. Paste the vacuum repair tool right above the crack center point with precision. Insert into the value's bottom with syringe to exhaust air gradually and slowly for about 2 to 3 times. Upturn the syringe needle and eliminate the air completely, making it filled with repair resin inside. Slowly inject the resin until the repair area has been filled up. Make sure that the cracks have been fully permeated into the crack. Remove the vacuum repair tool. Expose the crack under the curing light for about 5 minutes. Uncover the cured film and remove the glue debris on the surface with a blade. Before repair. After repair.